Everyone. This is in continuation to various problems what we are doing in simple interest. The next one is question number 5. Determine the principal which will amount to rupees 13,000 in 6 years at 5% per annum. Here also I will incorporate on simple interest basis. Okay. Now determine the principal. That means we are supposed to find what is C, okay, which will amount is given to be 13,000 in 6 years. So N is given as 6. Rate of interest is given as 5% per annum, which is 0.05. So now we know the amount formula is C times 1 plus Ni. So let us substitute the values, or I can first remodify this formula. A divided by 1 plus Ni is equal to C, because we are supposed to find what is C. A is known to be 13,000 divided by 1 plus 6 times 0.05. Now we can directly evaluate this. 6 into 0.05, we get 0.3 plus that 1. So denominator is 1.3. So which means our C is 13,000 divided by 1.3, which is rupees 10,000. That is the solution for this particular problem. We'll again meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.